Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I've got a very simple craft which you can do at home using simple things. I begin by roughly sketching out the model on the paper.
Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream until our last breath.
Cut out the marked area. Cut out the inner base support to form the shape. And check to see whether it fits or not before you go further.
Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your
I prefer glue stick for instant base, but because of the pandemic and the lockdown, I'm out of glue sticks, so I'm using white glue here.
You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do.
You'll need a stapler and some pieces of wire that can be bent by hand to give support to the structure. Similarly, use the same process on the other side. With a rope, bind the two from the head to the neck.
The chaos is rising, leading the charge. I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe.
If you get hold of a glue gun here, you'll save some more time. After fitting everything, cover the whole area with bits of paper. Here, I'm using a mixture of wheat powder and water and a small amount of salt as glue. I'm not pasting paper in every area, but if you wish, you may, because the more you paste, the harder your model becomes. Now, let's get into molding. I'm using Portland white cement. It's better if you mix it accordingly in order not to waste too much. Add white glue to it. Here, I'm using Fevicol mixed thoroughly with water. After covering the outer model with the cement, keep it dry for some hours. It depends on your room temperature, but here I kept it for 5 hours. As I'm not used to wearing gloves, I work with bare hands, but I advise you to wear gloves and masks. Now, start sanding the rough surface with a sandpaper. Here, I'm using sanding paper number 100. It's now time to pull out the support paper which we used in the beginning. With the same process, cover the interior of the model with any flat tool for pasting and keep it dry. Finally, it's almost done. So for smoothness, I use putty plus a small amount of glue plus water. Cover it thoroughly, either with a brush or any flat tool. For end sanding for the dry booty, I recommend low grit sandpaper. Here, I use number 120. You can add color and fine details according to your like. Here, I'm keeping it as it is to save more time. Or maybe just because I'm lazy about it. Finally, it's done. Use a suitable varnish to give it a glossy look.